Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easy version of the chicken and rice. All you have to worry about to just cooking the rice and making some delicious sauce. We're going to just buy the chicken from the grocery chicken from the store. So it will be easy weekday recipe for you. Okay, we're going to start cooking right first. Okay, and first I have 4 tablespoons cooking oil. 4 tablespoons cooking oil going. So normal, if you do the traditional style, the oil sometimes we use the chicken fat, mix it with the oil. But today we do the quick and easy version. So you just use your cooking oil. And second, I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic and 3 sliced ginger. I'm going to 4 cloves the garlic and then I mash them. It's just a big chunk like this. Okay, 4 cloves garlic, and then I'm going to cook the garlic and the ginger in the low heat. In the low heat to make them all the oil smell really good. Okay, and just take about couple minutes. You don't want to burn the garlic and ginger because that's the key for the rice. So gonna smell really good. So make sure cook on the high heat and only really fast, about couple minutes. Now I'm going to add jasmine rice. For this recipe, I use 2 cups jasmine rice, and I already drain them with the water, as you can see. Now the water dripping in the pan. Okay, so 2 cups the jasmine rice go in. Okay. Okay, now I turn the heat to the medium heat, and I'm going to start the stir the rice and ginger and garlic until the rice starts changing the color. Like now the rice kind of clear, but the rice gonna changing the color to be white, and then we're gonna add the next ingredient. In the medium heat, it's really fast. In about 3 minutes, now your rice start changing the color. Before it's very clear, now you see more white. So I'm not sure exactly how to call that to be honest. Okay, but the rice changing the color. Okay, now I'm going to give a seasoning a little bit for the rice. Alright, I'm going to add a half teaspoon sea salt. Half teaspoon sea salt. Okay, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. How can I forget the name after I use this almost every recipe? And keep mixing them at the same time too, because I don't want to burn in the bottom. Okay, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons seasoning soy sauce. Oh. 1 and 2. This is I know they have this plastic bottle in Thailand a lot, but this is the first time that I just buy them. Normally they in the glass bottle, but this one is plastic bottle. It's easy for me to use. I can just squeeze it. Talking so much, I burn the soy sauce. Hold on, I have to. Talking so much. Alright, so quick mix. Okay, and now the garlic, ginger, and the soy sauce smell really good now. Okay, and now I'm going to add the chicken stock. I use the 3 cup chicken stock for this jasmine rice. If we do same thing, if we do the traditional style, we will use the chicken broth, the one that we cook the chicken and use for this. But today we just easy day. We got the chicken from the store, so so all we have to worry about to cook a delicious rice and delicious sauce. So now we're going to high the heat. Like I promised you, it's super easy. So just take about 4 minutes. Now the rice come to the boil, but don't forget keep mixing them too. Okay, and then now they come boil. I'm gonna give them a cover. Okay, and lowering the heat I'm gonna let them simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, depend how your pan or your wok, or if you not want to cooking in the stove like this, but I think it's easy. You can, if you have the rice cooker and want to cook in the rice cooker, you can do that too. Okay, while we're waiting for the rice cooking, take about 25 to 30 minutes, we're going to make our delicious sauce. Okay, now the rice still cooking. I'm going to start making our sauce. First, I have the 6 tablespoons the soybean paste. It's just coming like this, soybean paste. Okay, 6 tablespoons. I'm going to just making the sauce in the blender. Alright, because inside Thailand sometimes they use a pestle and mortar, and then they will have a different texture. But for my personal, I like a little bit fine for the sauce, so I use the blender. Okay, I have 6 tablespoons soybean paste, and then I have 6 cloves the garlic, the 2 Thai chili. If you don't like spicy, just use 1 or half, 2 Thai chili, and also the 4 tablespoons the ginger. The big chunk, and then I just do 4 scoops, so 4 tablespoons the ginger, and also the ginger spicy. So if you are thinking the ginger already too spicy for you, you don't have to add chili, but a little bit of heat is really good for this sauce. Okay, and I have 3 tablespoons cilantro stem. A little bit the leaf is okay. 3 tablespoons. I just chop and then I just use 3 spoons. Okay. Alright, and next I'm going to have the 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice. For the fresh lime juice, some people like, you can substitute to the tamarind paste. Some people like to put the tamarind paste. For me, I like the fresh lime juice. I like the really freshy from the lime and hit with all the saltiness. So they more refreshing for this sauce. Okay, so 2 tablespoons for the lime juice, and also 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 2 tablespoons brown sugar go into. Okay, and I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons the regular soy sauce. 2 tablespoons regular soy sauce. 1. And for the soybean paste, they're really salty already too, so be careful with the salt. I mean all the salt. Just put a little bit, and then you can taste on the end. But this is recipe I already used to make, so I give you the basic. You can adjust it if you like to. And then I will put 1 teaspoon the sesame oil. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Okay, and the next sour ingredient it will be the vinegar. I will use 2 tablespoons the regular white vinegar. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, almost more than 2. And I'm going to use a 3 tablespoons black soy sauce. This one it adds caramelized and the color. So 3 tablespoons. This one not really salty, not really give you salty, will give you a little bit sweet and a little bit the color. So I will use 3 tablespoons, and they kind of thicker than the normal soy sauce if you never use them. Okay, so 3 tablespoons. Alright, and I'm going to add, of course, 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Okay, that's how I like about the plastic bottle. I can squeeze them, and they're kind of bigger. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Okay, and next I'm going to add a 4 tablespoons the water. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And sometimes in the restaurant in Thailand they use the chicken stock, but I didn't want to use the chicken stock because if you're having leftover, if you add just the water, you can keep it in the refrigerator at a little bit more time, keep it longer. Okay, and this is a lot of sauce, but this is very good. I think you will like it. Now I will blend everything. Okay, Very easy. I promise you already, very easy. Which one I have to put here? Okay. This is look good, but I'm going to give them the taste. Let me grab the spoon behind me. I'm gonna have to give them a taste. Even I do this a lot, this sauce I doing a lot, but you still always have to taste sometimes something a little bit less, a little bit more sour or something. No, it's very good. Okay, it's already tastes good for me, and just taste your sauce, and if you need more sweet or sour or salty, you just add a little bit more for everything. And now I'm going to put it on the side. Okay, they're a little more than 1 cup. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the sauce on the side, and let's go check our rice. Okay, now be more than 25 minutes, a little bit, but I get all the sauce done and all the pep done, and let's come check on our rice. Oops. When you open the lid very fast and flip it up like this so the water not drip into your rice. Oh, then look at this. Come check it out. Now we're going to turn off the heat. Oh, gonna put the rice over here. Oh, look, it's so good. Oh my goodness sakes. Look really good. Okay, and I make some soup to go eat with our chicken and rice too, or khao man kai. Okay, so for the soup, it's just whatever your favorite soup. So I have the chicken bone, and I already put in the freezer. So I just put a chicken bone and your favorite vegetable. I have a carrot and the shiitake mushroom and daikon in here, and just seasoning with the salt and soy sauce. It's really light because it's really famous in Thailand to eat chicken, rice, and soup. They go good together. Alright, so I know I talked a lot. I'm gonna put it down. Okay, and our chicken over here, the pan is kind of hot because I warm them inside the air fryer. Alright, so but I can touch it like this. I'm gonna cut the chicken. Okay, so this is easy. Just pick your favorite rotisserie chicken, but this is the original one. Okay, the cameraman, he like just the breast. So in Thailand, all of my friends sometimes they just saying thigh or leg or thigh only. They don't want the bread. I like the bread too, and then the cameraman, he only like the bread too. Okay, so I just gonna cut the bread for him. But look at the skin. I know it's from the store, but it looks really good. Okay, and looking the rice. Look at how fluffy. Oh, it look really good. It smell really good. Now I'm just going to put the rice in the bowl and put the chicken on top. That's how we serve in Thailand for the rice. Just whatever, how much do you like? Okay, about 3 small scoops. About this much. Then now we're gonna put the chicken on the top. Look at this, look at this. And then we like to serving with some cucumbers. I'm gonna put some cucumber on the side, so refreshing with all the salt in it from the sauce. Okay. Alright, and my delicious dipping sauce too. When you make your own sauce, you can eat a lot. Sometimes in Thailand, they give you really little. You just have to add for extra 5 more times maybe. Because they give you really little. Okay, that's it. But don't forget the soup too. Okay, I just gonna want to show you real quick the soup that I making. Whatever your favorite soup. Okay, now I ready to try our rice and chicken and the sauce. Look at the sauce. I'm sure I will get some more sauce for sure. Look at this. I'm sorry. Really good. It's really good. It's really good. Very easy and quick for you to make, and then you're gonna love it and enjoy this. I keep eating more and more. It's really good, quick and easy and really good, and we can't wait to eat them all. Okay, I hope you like this quick and easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, if you like the recipe, please give it a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.